To turn on the drone, long press the power button on top of the drone's battery. To turn on the remote, short press the power button on the remote. To pair the remote control with the drone, push the left joystick to the 12 o'clock position and then to the 6 o'clock position. Next, connect the phone to the drone's Wi-Fi, which is named Ruko Pro. Open the app. Tap Controls and follow the app tips to start compass calibration. First, rotate the drone horizontally 1 or 2 times. Next, rotate the drone vertically 1 to 2 times and then place the drone on a level surface. To begin gyroscope calibration, push the joysticks to the 11 and 1 o'clock positions at the same time. Solid blue lights indicate that GPS is available. To power up the motors, pull the joysticks to the 5 and 7 o'clock positions. The drone can now fly. Similarly, you can also pull down again on the joysticks to the 5 and 7 o'clock positions to stop the motors. If the compass experiences interference during flight, please land promptly and recalibrate the compass manually. To recalibrate the compass, push the joysticks to the 11 and 1 o'clock positions at the same time.